Ụmụ nwanyị ibe m, agwọ nọ n'akịrịka, agwọ nọ n'akịrịka. Geenụ ntị, geenụ ntị.
My name is Priska. I am 29 years old. Last year, my 35 years old elder sister met a guy online and they started chatting. From chatting, they started video calling. This guy calls my sister every morning, afternoon, and night. In fact, their relationship became very serious, that the guy started talking about marriage. He told my sister that he lives abroad and he's into forex trading. He asked my sister to open a Bitcoin wallet. This guy started sending Bitcoin to my sister. My sister will sell the Bitcoin online and withdraw the money, and the money will be much. Within 4 months, this guy started dating my sister online. He had already sent more than 500,000 naira to my sister. And my sister fell deeply in love with this guy. Everybody in my family knows about the two of them because they were always video calling. And part of the money he sent, my sister gave it to my mother to add to her business. So my parents knows about the two of them. January this year, this guy called my sister and told her that he will be in Nigeria by February, that once he's back, that they are getting married. My sister was so excited. She said that finally, God has answered her prayers because my parents have been mounting a lot of pressure on this girl to get married. On the 13th of February this year, this guy called my sister and said that he will be in Nigeria on the 14th, which is on the Valentine's Day. He said he wants my sister to come to the airport in Lagos to welcome him back. From the airport, they will see his own parents there in Lagos before they will fly down to Port Harcourt to see our own parents. That was the arrangement. He sent money to my sister for her flight ticket and also 100,000 naira to my mother to prepare for his coming. So on the 14th of February this year, my elder sister booked a flight from Port Harcourt to Lagos just to welcome this guy. When she got to the airport, she called me. When she saw the guy, she also called me and told me that they were heading to the guy's family house. And that was the last time we heard from my sister. Since February till this moment, no one knows her whereabouts. Since then, her phone has been switched off, all her social media handles deleted. Even the guy's number she dropped with me before traveling is no longer available. We went to police, we filed so many reports, till now, no news of my sister. My father has visited different spiritualists to inquire of my sister and kept getting the same answer that she's no more. That was how we lost her. Please share this story so that girls will learn. This is very serious. My sister, sorry for your loss, okay? This lady reached out to me after I dropped that video that I was going to create a WhatsApp group for our singles. Okay, she warned me that I should not even think about it. That this is what happened to her sister this year. Okay, a lot of things are going on online. A lot of people come online and say and pretend as if they are looking for wives to marry. Meanwhile, they are up to something else. And their targets are desperate girls that are looking for marriage. Okay, please, I want us to be very careful. With this, please, I'm not creating any WhatsApp group. I'm not going to do any matchmaking any longer. Okay, because if anything goes wrong, people will call my name. Please, I'm handsing off. I'm not doing that any longer, okay? And please, if you're doing any online dating, tell the guy to come and visit you. It is not your duty to go and visit any man, all right? The risk is high. Let the guy come and see you and your people. That is the right thing to do, okay? I know we have a lot of good people online, but because of the bad ones now, we don't even know who is who, okay? And this is online. You don't know where the person is chatting you from. You don't know who the person is. It may not even be the same picture you're seeing that is behind the whole thing. So let's be very careful, right? So I will advise all the ladies, please look for a man within your area, okay? If you are the type that doesn't go out, please try to be going out. Go to restaurants, go to different places. Go to events, go to public places. You must meet somebody, all right? Like play, you will meet someone. Please don't be an indoor person when you are looking for a life partner. You need to be going out now, okay? Sometimes take a stroll on your streets. Don't book boats and be flying up and down. Sometimes you walk. Somebody may see you, all right? Please, this goes to our parents, especially our mothers, that used to pressure their daughters to get married. Don't do that. As you are pushing these girls to get married, you can push them to something else. So please, if you're a parent and you are doing this, please stop, okay? And you, the young lady, if your parents are mounting pressure on you, my sister, Look for an accommodation and move out of that family house, okay? Because if you're not there, you will not be seeing them and be receiving their pressure. So let me leave this whole thing at this. Thank you for always watching my videos. I love all of you, okay? And please don't forget to share this video so that a lot of girls will learn from this, okay? See you in my next video. Bye-bye.
Ọkwụ na-anụgo ka o si mee ka anyị kee n'okwucha maka na nkwucha abụrụ ụjọ. Ndewo.